Making half-blind dovetails using the DEWALT DW618 D-handle router and the Porter Cable 4210 dovetail jig. The half-blind dovetail is a strong mechanical joint that is also visually interesting. It is the preferred joint for drawer construction. Start by securing a face inside of the drawer in the jig. Then the template is lined up. The guide bushing and dovetail bit that are included with the jig are installed. Using the factory set depth stop on the jig, the dovetail bit is set to the proper exposure to route the joint. Set the router base flat on the edge of the jig's template to the right of the workpiece. Turn the router on and move the router across the face of the work until you reach the first finger of the template. This light climbing pass reduces splintering of the joint. Plunge into the first template finger until the guide bushing bottoms out. Roll the router around to the next finger to the right, continuing in this manner until you've completely routed the workpieces. Shut off the router and let the bit come to a complete rest before removing it from the jig. Unclamp the workpieces and assemble the joint. Looks like a great fit.